that's gotten out of hand. They're coming on the dinghies through the channel they steam, but this ain't the kind of British invasion that we see. Britain is for the British, let's give a cheerful shout. Foreigners out, oh foreigners out. With their tales of desperation, they turned our heads about. Britain is for the British, foreigners out. Britain is for the British, foreigners out. Our ancestors fought with arrows, cannons and with guns, but now the battles rage in Parliament with legal puns. They come with sob stories and lawyers by the fleet, and before you know it, they've got a place on Downing Street. Britain is for the British, let's give a cheerful shout. Foreigners out, oh foreigners out. With their tales of desperation, they turn our heads about. Britain is for the British, foreigners out. Britain is for the British, foreigners out. So raise a glass of beers and let's laugh and have a cheer. For Britain is for the British, and that message is crystal clear. But until our politicians get their act all sorted out, we'll keep singing this song chorus, foreigners out.
This is a ghetto, you must now see. Very good. Mainstream diversity. Unjust and
We're on video now. We're getting video now. Look, homosexual malcontent video now. British lying eggs. British lying eggs.
There is no choice, I belong to
Hello, Mr. Trump. I hear you come to the Unity rally here today in Glasgow. Have you got anything that you would like to say to our audience?
I would say it's important to come out and raise your voice to the radical left that are cheering after my dear friend Charlie Kirk was brutally assassinated last week. It cannot continue to happen.
Thank you very much, Mr. Trump.
Now I see it is better that I remain in silence.
And it's all the usual goons that's turned up. Sorry.
See Scotland, take away the freedom, say you like it. I like the way they tell me what to say. I like the way they say what I can say. Democracy is working. Hey, white people, go away. Screens on loop, humming that same tune. Echoes of a world that's changing too soon. Whispers get loud in the silence of the room. Every move we make, yeah, they consume. Sailing on this ship of fools under the watchful eyes. We're just tools.
Serving time in a dungeon. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought for freedom cause we have none. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. So bad, but my race is not yet done. She's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. 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 Carried a Brendan. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. Now we are being overrun. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. So bad, but my race is not yet done. She's the best girl that I ever had. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought the Zog and the Zogi won. I fought the Zog and the Zog won. I fought the Zog and the Zog won. I fought the Zog and I won. I fought the Zog and I won. I fought the Zog and we won. We fought the Zog and we won. We fought the Zog and we won. We fought the Zog and we won.
Everybody has the same concerns. They're concerned for the safety of their children, their females, the lack of good quality social housing. They're concerned about what our teachers are teaching our children. We are concerned about society and it isn't for respect.
Searching for the white whale, a guard to get me out of jail. staring at the sun, wondering when you'll come. Hope falters and fails, hope falters and fails. I'm looking for the breeze that give away tail. Upshot exhale, rise mighty wild. Hope falters and fails, hope falters and fails. I can't undo what has been undone, I can't unsee what has been seen. I sit here in my lonely jail, I patiently wait for the white whale, for the white whale. I sit here in my lonely jail, I patiently wait for the white whale, for the white whale. Hope falters and fails, hope falters and fails.
I was 5 and he was 6. We rode on horses made of sticks. He wore black and I wore white. He would always win the fight. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down. Seasons came and changed the time. When I grew up I called him mine. He would always laugh and say, remember when we used to play? Bang, bang, I shot you down. Bang, bang, you hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, I used to shoot you down. Music played and people sang. Just for me the church bells rang. Now he's gone, I don't know why. And till this day sometimes I cry. He didn't even say goodbye, he didn't take the time to lie. Bang, bang, he shot me down. Bang, bang, I hit the ground. Bang, bang, that awful sound. Bang, bang, my baby shot me down.